Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by clarifying what you need to reset: a bot token versus your user account token. Once done, sign into Discord and verify email access. Make sure your 2FA device is handy. If you're handling a bot, open the Discord developer portal now. If this is your personal account, prepare to change your password and revoke active sessions. This is the only reliable way to invalidate old tokens. Proceed confidently. These steps stop unauthorized reuse. Now execute the core action. For a bot, go to Applications, choose the app, Open Bot, and click Regenerate Token. Copy the new token into a secure vault. For a user account, change your password and enable two-factor authentication. Then revoke all sessions in privacy and safety or security so old tokens are invalidated. Once done, update every integration and deployed app with the new token. Make sure automated deployments do not fall back to the old secret. Finish by testing every login and connection. Run the bot and sign in as the user to confirm successful authentication. If you see auth failures, check that the new token replaced the old one in environment variables, config files, and CI/CD secrets. Confirm required scopes or permissions are present. If you are locked out, use your email recovery flow or contact Discord support with proof of ownership. This resolves edge cases and prevents accidental permanent loss of access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.